Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you all how to make these beginner crimson rose canes. The process to make these is very simple, but it is a fun and almost kind of relaxing cane to make. And you can turn this design into your own by making adjustments to the rose petal shapes. So let's get started. Step 1. Create Skinner blend. You will need 20 grams of red, 12 grams of yellow orange, and 10 grams of dark red. Create a Skinner blend with the colors offset about 1/4 of an inch from each other. Roll it through the pasta machine until well blended. You can watch my full video on Skinner blending in the cards at the top right if you need step-by-step instructions on how to do Skinner blends. Take your completed Skinner blend and fold it in half. Run it through the pasta machine multiple times until you get it real thin at the 5th setting. Step 2. Create gradient loaf and convert to log. Next, you want to create a gradient loaf by making 1-inch accordion folds until you get to the very end. Next, compress and reduce the gradient loaf until you get it to more of a square shape. After that, round off each corner of the square so it's more of a plug shape. After that, gently roll each rounded corner against a hard clay safe surface to further round it. Then roll it across the surface to transform it into a cylindric shape. Step 3. Cane reduction and slicing. Then reduce the cane until you get it to 10 inches long. Then cut off 5 logs, each at 1.25 inches in length. They should each be roughly 13 millimeters in diameter. Set those off to the side. After that, take the rest of the cane and continue reducing it until the diameter is about 10 millimeters. Then cut off 5 logs at about 1.25 inches in length. Set those off to the side. After that, continuously reduce your cane until you get it to 8 millimeters in diameter. Then cut off 1 log at about 1.25 inches in length. Set it off to the side as well. Then reduce your cane again to get the diameter to about 6 millimeters in diameter. Then cut off 3 logs at 1.25 inches in length. Now you should have about 5 large logs, 4 medium logs, 1 small log, and 3 itty-bitty logs. Step 4. Transform to petal shapes. Next, we are going to shape the logs into petal shapes, starting with the biggest since it's the easiest to work on at the start. You want to have the darkest color facing towards you and pinching the sides where the red clay meets between your fingertips. Keep pinching until it's more of a elongated diamond shape. You want to taper the ends and also sort of bend it a little into a slight umbrella shape. Then do this for all the remaining logs of all sizes. For the itty-bitty logs, you can first squish it into an oval shape first, which gives you a bit more surface area to pinch into a diamond shape to make it easier. Step 5. Cane assembly. We're going to build the core of the rose first and then keep adding overlapping petals. So take your 3 tiniest pieces and turn them into C shapes. One with the lighter color on the inside and one with the lighter color on the outside. Then interlock these 2. Then take the remaining tiny piece and add it to the bundle. After that, take your small piece, which should be a bit longer than the 3 tiny ones, and add it to the bundle, and you want it to overlap the previous piece added. Then continue adding the 4 medium petals. You may want to adjust the shapes of the petals as you see fit while compiling the cane, which gives you some artistic freedom to make the design your own. And just keep adding more petals with the newest piece overlapping the edge of the previous petal. After you've added all 4 of the medium petals, then start adding on the other 5 larger ones. Here you have the option of maintaining more of a rose shape if you like. You can watch my cane packing video on how to do that, but here I just made it more of a circular shape as a personal preference. cut off a slice off the end, and voila! Here is the finished Crimson Rose cane design. These would be an eye-catching component to any veneers you might make. You can also create matching leaves by watching my leaf canes video, which I'll put in the cards at the top as well. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this tutorial, and have fun making your own rose cane designs.